Hey, hi everyone. So today we will unbox my smart speaker. So on the box it says it can play music, it can tell you about weather condition, it can give you answer to GK inquiry, tell you about your meeting schedule and much more. So जल्दी से इसे अनबॉक्स करते हैं एंड लेट्स सी क्या क्या है बॉक्स में. As usual paperwork. उसके बाद है आवर मेन स्मार्ट स्पीकर और एक और बॉक्स है. आई थिंक पावर कॉर्ड का होना चाहिए. विदाउट पावर कॉर्ड इनबिल्ट बैटरी होता तो मज़ा ही आ जाता. चलिए स्पीकर अनरैप करते हैं. लेट्स सी कैसा दिखता है. सो नीचे की तरफ वी हैव पावर प्लग. लुक्स प्रीमियम विथ मेटल मैश. काफ़ी स्लीक डिज़ाइन है. चलिए जल्दी से इसे सेटअप करते हैं और देखते हैं क्या क्या कर सकता है ये. सो सेटअप करना बहुत ही आसान है. ज़्यादा कुछ करना नहीं है. सबसे पहले पावर कॉर्ड लगा दीजिए इसमें. और हाँ, इसे यूज़ करने के लिए आपके पास वर्किंग वाईफाई कनेक्शन होना चाहिए, नहीं तो ये काम नहीं करेगा. सो पावर कॉर्ड लगाने के बाद इट विल ब्लिंक फॉर फ्यू सेकेंड और उसके बाद वंस इट इज़ रेडी.
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant. You can ask me questions and tell me to do things. To get started, download the Google Home app.
Once you have downloaded the Google Home app, follow the instruction as shown in the right hand side of the screen. Meanwhile, इसके फीचर्स भी देख लेते हैं. What all it has to offer. So it has 12 watt speaker, 2 far field mic and dual Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. So इसके अलावा गाना ऐप का 1 year सब्सक्रिप्शन भी मिल रहा है, which is worth rupees 400 right now. So while listening to music, it has good high and low when compared to Amazon Alexa or Google Home Mini. I have been using this for a few weeks now. So let me tell you from my experience in which all situation you can use this smart speaker. Just before sleeping, you remember you forgot to set alarm. Just say, hey Google, set alarm for tomorrow morning with the time and you are done for tomorrow. While reading, it's very beneficial. Consider when you are reading a novel, you came across few of the words which you don't understand. Just ask Google. It's quite convenient and without distraction. Let's take another situation. Consider when you are back from office or after a long day, you need your daily dose of news while changing or doing work. Just ask Google. Can always ask for weather condition to plan your tomorrow accordingly. And obviously playing your favorite songs on Gaana while working out, since they are providing 1 year free subscription. So in that scenario also it is quite convenient. You can also connect via Bluetooth when you are offline to play your favorite music. So this is one of the added feature of MI smart speaker. Now we have installed our Google Home app. If you have any doubt regarding the installation or app configuration, please let me know in the comment section. We'll be happy to help you. Now let's see its specification. And before you start, these are few of the frequently asked questions which will be very helpful for you. And if you like my content, please like and subscribe. And if you have any doubt regarding any of the thing, please let me know in the comment section.